information on the screen?
Yes, teacher.
Thank you.
Um, question form. One point. Positive and negative questions. Yes, no questions. Information. Uh, uh, teacher.
WH.
WA. Sorry. Questions. And 2 point indirect questions. Yes, no questions. Information WH questions.
Sounds good, sweetheart. Good job. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, as Miss Corrado said, definitely there are question forms in English, and we have to know what are the use of every single part in English. I mean, when I'm talking about questions in English, we are focusing our attention in the use of indirect questions. Indirect questions in English are polite. Let me tell you that one of the best characteristics that you may get into the indirect questions is that they are all polite. Okay, when you are a kind person and you kindly ask for something, definitely indirect questions is the best option. However, when you are talking about the positive and negative questions, you can find something just like the yes no questions. What are yes no questions? Okay, for example, if I ask you for something like this, if I ask you something just like, for example, um, do you like pizza? Okay, this is a very good and simple question, right? Do you like pizza? Okay, what is your answer? What do you think about your answer? What will be your answer, guys?
Yes, I like pizza.
Exactly. Thank you, madam. Great job. Yes, I do. Or yes, I like pizza. Okay, a long form as well. Excellent, Mrs. Gutierrez. But what if I ask you, do you like pizza and you don't like the pizza? What will be your answer? What do you think about that? Let me ask you for this, Mr. Rojas. Please tell me. If I ask you, do you like pizza? But just imagine, okay, this is a supposition, okay? I know that you love it, okay? You love pizza, I guess so, Mr. Rojas. But if I ask you, do you like pizza? But this is negative. What will be your answer?
Yeah. No, I don't like pizza.
Exactly. Great job. Great job, sir. Good job, Mr. Rojas. Yes. You will say, no, I don't like pizza, right? I don't like pizza. Or, no, I definitely don't like it. Okay. Or, no, I don't. Okay, this is the short form, right? No, I don't. If you said all the different kinds of options that I gave you, definitely they are all good options. And your option is good too. Thank you, Mr. Rojas. Now, guys, when you're asking about this, do you like pizza? Definitely we are expecting, when you have the yes no questions, you are expecting to have two possibilities. We have to say, yes, I do, or on the contrary, we can say, no, I don't. Okay, so we have two possible options. So definitely we are using the yes no questions for those purposes. However, let's take a look about that. We are talking about the positive and negative questions. However, what about the information? I mean, WH questions. Oh, what are those WH questions? For example, if I said, what do you... Oh, look at this. What is your name? We are going to put this one. It's very simple. What is your name? Okay. So, what will be your answer? For example, Mr. Monterosa, please tell me. If I ask you, what is your name? What will be your answer, sir?
Um, my name is William Daniel Monterrosa.
Yes. Excellent, sir. Good job. In that case, you will say something like this. And you will say, okay, my name is, okay, you say, my name is, and you have to say your name, definitely, right? So in that case, we are using the information WH questions. Why? Because we are asking, look at this, we are asking for information. Perhaps personal or perhaps general information about you, okay? So these are the two types, look at this, the two types of questions that we are going to use most of the time into the English questions. However, Do we have either equations with yes, no questions and information, WH questions? Do we have these ones there? Yes, definitely we have. Now, what should we do? Considering the fact that we are talking about that, let's move on to the next part. Okay, the positive and negative questions. Okay, look at this. Definitely, we are going to check out if we are talking about this one here. And we got this information all around there. Mr. Cornejo, good evening. Oh, by the way, guys, can you please activate your cameras? Would be great. If you can turn on your cameras, will be great, okay? Thank you. Mr. Cornejo, thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you for being here. Hey, good evening, sir. Hey, my pleasure. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Okay, wow. I guess there are others here. If you can activate your cameras, will be great, guys. Definitely. Because remember, we are elementary, okay? Now, Mr. Cornejo, can you please read information on the screen?
Yes, teacher.
Thank
Positive
you.
or negative questions. Positive, do you have some time? Yes or no. Are you a friend of Jake's? Yes or no. What would you like to have for breakfast? Information. Why were you late for school? Information.
Good. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Very good. Now, when you are talking about the use of these positive and negative questions, you should know something. The positive questions or the negative questions are very useful because we are talking about perhaps the use of some different ways in order to not to be so direct or so direct, right, with the person. And perhaps we are trying to say something that's like, okay,